Wink. To close and open one eye quickly, often to send a secret message or show friendliness. She winked at her friend. He smiled and winked at me. Violent. Very aggressive, forceful, or harmful. He does not like violent movies. The lion can be violent when angry. Bark. The loud noise a dog makes. The dog barks at strangers. I heard a loud bark outside. Hire. To give someone a job. The company will hire more workers. We will hire a new teacher. Adorable. Something or someone very cute, lovely, and charming. The baby looks adorable in his hat. The cat is so adorable. Collect. To gather or bring together things or people. We collect water in a bucket. He collected coins from different countries. Event. A special occasion, like a party, meeting, or festival. My birthday party was a fun event. We went to a music event last night. Distribute. To give out or share things with people. She distributed food to the poor. He distributed gifts to the children. Reward. A gift or prize given for doing something good. She got a reward for helping her friend. I received a reward for winning the race. Motion. The act of moving from one place to another. The train started its motion slowly. The car was in motion on the road.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!